Subscribe.
Guys,
Code
this is
Craft
a video
Marketing
about
India.
like those who
Generate
also
by
want to
AI.
make their website, which is with the help of AI and which is without any hard work, without any coding, who have no knowledge of ABC. So for them today, I have brought a very good video here, like is the best video. And for all those people who do not have to do anything coding, which only has to write and give you the entire site by making it, we will not make you like you will make the whole AI for you. I will show you everything in H and everything. Well, how does it work? Let me tell you first. Firebase is a website that allows you to create a website for free with the help of AI tools. Don't spend any money on it. Instead this time you can go inside, go to control, and you can sign up with anyone from your Gmail, etc. After signing up, you can create any project you just have to put the name of a project. Whatever name you put, it will be your creation. After that, give all these things to yourself. Continue, and all this will be your setup. You didn't do anything, configure any Google Analytics account, and your project will be prepared a little bit. I will show it in a hurry just because your time is not wasted. That's why I have already recorded the video, okay, but you can make it absolutely free with the help of AID. With this, you can increase your development knowledge completely. Now you will get some panel this way. Inside this panel, you have to tell about your app, have some analytics, or create a backend. He sees everything. There are some such features inside the left hand side. You can do like hosting, etc. You don't have to pay any money for hosting. Like GoDaddy hosting, you upload your files at home. You won't need to do that either. Direct, which is here, you can host your hosting, which is can host the website. So what I will tell you for now, let's leave it. We will not waste much time on it. Let's move forward. Then look inside it. Gas, there is an option above here. You want to make a mobile application for iOS, you want to make it for Android, you have a floater. Then what does the floater do? This is the floater. This is your Android application. And for your Mac or for your iPhone, there will be an application inside, just one Flutter, which runs inside every device. So what I recommend is Flutter, which is now we are not making mobile applications, etc. Now I am just going to give you an idea of how to make a website. All right. If you have learned to create a website, then you can easily create a mobile application. Okay, now for the example for this, you can click on the tell that you're about your app above it. So some things open up to you. You go ahead and do the things that it asks you, and you can create your site with it. And for example, I have written, I want to create an application to send WhatsApp bulk messages from mobile app, like you do anything in your mind. Adia, you ask him whether he can make it or not, like broadcasting. Scheduling message automatic reply is okay. Then I ask this, then I have written all this matter. So you can sit comfortably and read it, no problem. I don't have too much time, but I don't want to waste too much. I wrote all this for you, okay? I have to create something like this. So what is inside it? There are some advanced things that maybe this Firebase I can think of, but it will need API. That API I cannot provide it. So that's why I skipped this plan. I said to create a simple website, like for example, a dating mobile app. Let you say, okay, so you can tell him that you can find out what is around my location. Then that means you can put anything in the mobile application in such a way you can get it information. And on top of this base, you can also get coding done with it. So now these are some things related to the mobile application that I told you, so that you feel right. Anyhow, you can write code with it. Now what are we doing right now in what I am talking to you about? Look, if you want to create any mobile website or whatever is mobile application or website, etc., then you click on the logo of Firebase, come to the home page. Here you have to click on start coding an application. Here you have some options like web backend, Angular, Next.js, simple HTML, ये React है, or mobile application database, anything you can select. Now for example, I want to create the website above, then I select the simple, which is HTML, which is So from which we will get the coding of our site and so on. Okay, now inside it you can select anything that is simple, HTML, etc. And whatever is the name of your project, you can put the name of the project. Now it will check some things inside it and make it ready by doing the complete setup, etc. Now something in this way that you will get the interface, etc. Okay, now what you have inside it is a first side, which is you get some options in the second middle, which is why you will see the entire website on the left hand side. You have the extension on the right hand side. On the side you get AI's chartboard, etc. All this. Now here for example I wrote create a beautiful e-commerce website for me to display products and sell digital products and bundle with the hero section, and with this I want, and with some order categories or menu options, etc. Then in this below you do not need to select anything, you just gave one code. Then look at this left end. All these complete files on the site will be started, and on the right hand side, if the agent of coding for your coding has been allotted to you, then your site will be created. Whatever things you have to do, you go on writing accordingly, your entire site will give you ready. Suppose for example stands on this base. This page is standing at the top, so now you can see that here I refreshed it. So look, it made me my entire site ready. Now there are some things inside this which is like for example I have to make me do anything. Now suppose why you want to see this page full, then look up button comes here, view full. So you click on open it, then now that will show you your entire website inside the complete full page, which it created automatically. Inside it we had just written that I have made a website. Now here what you can say, like make me a logo, the name of my website is this. You can get anything changed, like you can add these categories to me, add this menu, I want this inside the header, I want this inside the footer, I want this inside, click on this page, then I want this. Means it is totally free. You can do unlimited work, there's no problem either. If he will give you everything ready, then I will also tell you how to deploy it. Okay, so for that you can watch my next video, continue with this video. We think inside the second part the video should not be too long, then I will not waste too much time. So this is the first video, and let's stop here right now. Let's move on next. I'll tell you what we do next. Hope guys you like this video of mine. Then if guys like the video, then Codecraft Marketing India is my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it here and be sure to press all above the bell icon. And if you want to talk to me on WhatsApp, then you can click on this link. Then you can be directly redirected to me on my WhatsApp. You can ask me anything. You need any kind of knowledge. Here I put the videos, etc. inside English and Hindi if you like. You have to see this playlist in Hindi, you have to see it in English. You can give this playlist what I have and what ladies have is getting ready. Now little by little I will give you everything for free, the complete website development inside AI with what I will tell you. My entire channel is above the base of AI. If you want to get a lot of information about AI or be a little smart and active, then you must subscribe to my channel, Codecraft Marketing India. Watch this video, watch the photo and watch the entire channel. Will you also search Codecraft Marketing India? You can find out what I am by putting at the rate on YouTube. Guys, okay guys, thank you for watching. I will get the video. Bye bye. Take care inside the next video.
Generate by AI.